We will now solve a problem, namely finding the function f of z is equal to u plus iv, where u minus v is given. The real part or imaginary part is not given, but u minus v is given, which is e power x into cos y minus sin y. Okay. So here you are given with u minus v instead of u and v. Of course, there are many ways of solving it. I will use Milne's method to find out the function f of z. But before that, I'll just give you a glimpse of another method, basic method, by which you can calculate f of z. So if you want to calculate f of z, you should know u and v. So now what you do is, first you find dou u by dou x minus dou v by dou x. This will give you one equation. And then find dou u by dou y minus dou v by dou y. This will give you another equation. When we solve these two equations, you can find dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, and dou v by dou y, of course using CR equations. Once when you do it, you will have f dash of z is equal to dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x, or use the formula f dash of z is equal to dou v by dou y, okay, plus I dou v by dou x. Of course, you have got various ways of expressing f dash of z by which you can calculate f of z. Okay. This is one way, the basic way of finding out the function f of z. Now what I will do is, I will use the Milne's method to find the function f of z. So for that, what I will do is, I will convert this function f of z in terms of another analytic function, for which this u minus v will be either the real part or the imaginary part. So now what I will do is, I will have f of z, which will be u plus iv. Now I will have I f of z. This will be iu minus v. So now when I add these two, I will have 1 plus I into f of z. This will be u minus v plus I into u plus v. So u minus v has become the real part of the function I into f of z. So now what I will do is, I will rewrite this 1 plus I into f of z as a plus ib, where a is equal to u minus v and b is equal to u plus v, which is the real part and imaginary part of 1 plus I into f of z. So now when I use the Milne's method, I can easily find the value of f of z. So now from the Milne's equation, now what is the real part? A is equal to u minus v. This is given as e power x into cos y minus sin y. Okay. So now what I do is, I calculate dou a by dou x. Dou a by dou x will be e power x into cos y minus sin y. Okay, at z comma 0, okay, dou a by dou x will be e power z into 1. Now what will be dou a by dou b? Sorry, dou a by dou y. Dou a by dou y will be e power x into minus sin y minus cos y. Okay. At z comma 0, dou a by dou y, this will be e power x into minus 1. Okay. So now what I have to do is I have to use the formula for 1 plus I. Sorry, I have to use the formula for 1 plus I into f dash of z. This will be dou a divided by dou x minus I into dou a by dou y at z comma 0, Milne's method. So this will give you 1 plus I into e power z. Okay, here this will be e power z, not e power x. Sorry, because you are substituting z is equal, x is equal to z. So in this case you will have 1 plus I into e power z. So from this f dash of z is equal to e power z, or f of z will be e power z plus c. So when you expand the function e power z or separate e power z into real and imaginary parts, you will have u minus v to be e power x into cos y minus sin y. This completes the solution of this particular